Imagine this, you are an elected MLA chosen by thousands of people to represent their voice. And there's a crucial assembly session today, and your single vote could decide the future of your state. You leave home early, determined to speak for the people. But halfway there, the police officers stop you. You are arrested, no warrants, no explanations given. Hours turns into days, and you come to realize this. This isn't just an arrest, it's a way to silence you. This isn't a fiction, this actually happened to Bhim Singh, a member of Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir in 1985. So hey future advocates, I'm Arpit and today I'm presenting one of the most significant cases in Indian tort and constitutional law. Bhim Singh was a state of Jammu and Kashmir in 1985. As students of law and seekers of justice, we often came across cases that remind us why law exists to protect the powerless from the powerful. This case beautifully connects constitutional rights and tort principles, proving that even the state isn't above law. So here I am presenting the facts of the case. Bhim Singh was a MLA in the Jammu Kashmir Legislative Assembly on 11 September 1985. An important assembly session was scheduled. While traveling from Jammu to Srinagar, the police stopped and arrested him. He wasn't produced before magistrate within 24 hours, a direct violation of Article 22, Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution. His wife, worried and helpless, filed a petition in the Supreme Court claiming that the police had detained him illegally just to prevent him from voting. By the time he was released, the session was already over and the crucial vote had been conducted without him. So this is how the judgment goes. The Supreme Court, led by Justice O. Chinnappa Reddy, held that the arrest was illegal and malified. The police acted malified in bad faith and violated both Article 21 and 22, that is, right to life and personal liberty, and protection against arbitrary arrest of the Indian Constitution. The court declared no person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except the procedures established by law. But the real breakthrough is that the court goes beyond their words. It offered a compensation of 50,000 rupees to Bhim Singh. This was the first time that the Supreme Court awarded monetary damages for the breach of a fundamental right. So here are the legal principles that arise in this case law and their importance. The judgment makes a turning point. It must tort and constitutional law establishing that when public servants abuse their authority, the state is vicariously liable. It also affirmed that fundamental rights are not mere promises on paper, they are actionable rights, and the courts can grant real remedies when they are violated and infringed. This case is a clear-cut example of injuria sine daemonum, a concept in common law systems. This means injury without damage. Here the plaintiff need not to provide an actual damage but merely a legal injury. This case had a broader impact. After this case, the Supreme Court continued using compensation to enforce accountability. It reminded every public official that power is not a weapon, it's a responsibility. The judgment made it clear, if the state violates your liberty, it will have to pay for it. The doctrine became the foundation for the India's modern constitutional tort system. So Bhim Singh and state of Jammu and Kashmir wasn't about one MLA. It was about every citizen's right to freedom. It proved that justice can't be jailed and even a single voice can shake the whole system. As students of law and seekers of justice, this case reminds us of our duty to uphold liberty, fairness, and truth. So this is all from my side, and I would like to express my special thanks to Shreya, my classmate and companion, who provided me with all the facts and did the all wonderful research in providing me with the information regarding the case. Without her, the making of this video would not be fulfilled. So thanks a lot, Shreya. I would also like to extend my gratitude to our Tod Slow teacher, Miss Neha Shri Bhatnagar, for being such a wonderful teacher, for guiding us through such wonderful projects and presentations. Thanks a lot, ma'am.